Hello smart people, welcome to SciTech Weekly, a place where you will get weekly updates in the field of science and technology. So here are our top news from this week. A team of scientists had discovered ripples in space-time called gravitational waves from what they think is the biggest black hole collision ever recorded. The old data collected by the LIGO team revealed a merger of two separate star pairs that collapsed into one another to form two separate black holes on 29 July 2017. The result was merging of these black holes to form a third, the biggest one ever recorded. The resulting black hole is roughly 80 times as large as our Sun. The event took place about 9 billion light years away. This event also had black holes spinning the fastest of all the mergers observed so far. It is also said to be by far the most distant merger observed. Along with the collision, the team also discovered three other black holes mergers. These detections of black holes collision greatly improve our understanding of how many binary black hole systems there are in the universe, as well as the range of their masses and how fast the black holes spin during a merger. New solar panel materials could help in producing more electricity. Solar panels are no doubt one of the most useful sources of energy. Solar panels in solar power plants are massive and numerous. They absorb as much energy as they can from the sun. For converting the thermal energy into electricity, they use a fluid-filled converter known as heat exchanger. The current material for making these heat exchanger can be stable up to 550 degrees Celsius only. Researchers at Texas A&M University have created a new material for these heat exchangers for a combination of ceramic and tungsten that can withstand the temperature of over 750 degrees Celsius. A new theory could explain the unexplained 95% of the cosmos. The scientists at the University of Oxford may have solved one of the biggest questions in the modern physics, with a new paper unifying dark matter and dark energy into a single phenomenon, a fluid which possesses negative mass. If you were to push a negative mass, it would accelerate towards you. The astonishing new theory may also prove right a prediction that Einstein made 100 years ago. Dark matter and dark energy have been extremely difficult to understand from the very beginning of our understanding. Even our current widely recognized model of the universe called lambda CDM tells us nothing about what dark matter and dark energy are like on physical basis. We only know about them because of the gravitational effect they have on other observable matter. The existence of negative matter have been previously ruled out as it was thought that this material would become less dense as the universe expands, which runs contrary to the observation that shows dark energy does not thin over the time. But this theory applies a creation tensor, which allows for negative masses to be continuously created. It demonstrates that when more and more negative masses are continually bursting into existence, this negative mass fluid does not dilute during the expansion of the cosmos. In fact, the fluid appears identical to dark energy. Still, there are many theoretical issues and computational simulation to work through. If real, it would suggest that the missing 95% of the cosmos had an anesthetical solution. We would forget it to include a simple minus sign. First sound of wind on Mars captured by NASA's InSight lander. On its 10th day as new resident of the red planet, NASA's InSight lander pressure sensor transmitted air vibration data from its trembling solar panels, representing a steady breeze about 99 million miles away. The combination of photons sent back from the craft with the sound of Martian wind gives the Earth residents a unique moment of feel like they have joined the craft themselves. Fighting cancer with our new reprogrammed immune system. Our immune system is pretty weak when it comes to fight cancer. Sometimes the cancer may cause the dendritic cells or the immunity cells to behave in unusual way and cause dysfunctions. Sometimes the body rejects the entire treatment as well. By creating immune cells from a patient's own body cell, the chance of rejection is drastically reduced. This process, called the direct reprogramming, was recently published in the journal Science Immunology and is not only effective but also very fast. A tissue section can be taken from the skin and millions of cells can be reprogrammed to the dendritic cells in a process that takes only 9 days. New 3D printed glucose sensor would make glucose level monitoring cheap. Another great achievement of 3D printing. Now the 3D printed sensors would be used in glucose monitoring wearables that could stick to a person's skin and monitor bodily fluids, like sweat to monitor the amount of glucose in the body. Compared to the traditional manufacturing processes, 3D printing sensor would reduce waste, cutting down cost while improving the accuracy of glucose monitoring as they have extremely smooth structure, giving them high sensitivity. Elon Musk's boring company could surprise us with its new road-legal autonomous cars. Now transferred to the new date, unveiling of Elon Musk's Hyperloop on 18 December. Elon tweeted about a pair of new surprises, promising that the Hyperloop tunnel opening the world feature fully road-legal autonomous transport cars and ground-to-tunnel car elevators. Thank you guys for watching our video. Follow our media partners Dynamic Science, Exploring the Interstellar and Cosmology on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned.